Reliabilt RB Keypad Door Locks offer keyless entry through a programmable keypad. These locks improve security and convenience for homes and businesses. Reprogramming these locks is crucial for controlling access and ensuring ongoing security. Modern RB locks connect with smart home systems for remote access, while simpler versions work on their own. RB locks support multiple user codes and features like automatic locking. Refer to your model's manual for details. Reprogramming your RB lock is essential for maintaining security. It's necessary when moving into a new home or office to establish fresh access codes. After employee turnover, reprogramming revokes access for former staff members. If a security breach is suspected, immediate reprogramming prevents further unauthorized entry. When codes are forgotten, reprogramming allows you to set new, memorable ones. Reprogramming also adjusts settings, such as changing the auto lock timer for better convenience. Regularly changing codes prevents unauthorized access. Experts recommend reprogramming biannually or more often if needed. Before adding new codes, reset the lock to its factory settings. Locate the reset button on the interior side of the lock. Press and hold this button for 5 to 10 seconds. A beep or flashing light indicates a successful reset. This erases all existing user codes, reverting to the default master code. This step is crucial for security. The reset ensures no old codes remain active. After resetting your RB lock to factory defaults, you can now add new user codes. Start by entering your master code, which is typically 1234 or 0000, depending on the model. Next, press the Program button, which is usually the hash key, represented by the number sign or pound symbol. Now input your new user code, which should be between 4 and 6 digits long. Choose a unique, non-sequential combination for better security. Re-enter the same code to confirm it. The lock will typically beep or flash its lights to indicate the new code has been saved successfully. RB keypad locks can store up to 10 to 20 user codes. For maximum security, always choose unique pins that are not sequential or easily guessable. Some RB locks offer advanced settings like auto lock timers, which automatically secure the door after a specified period. Smart-enabled models let you set time-based restrictions for user codes through a mobile app. Always consult the user manual for features specific to your model. Integration with smart home systems like Google Nest enables remote monitoring and access control. If your RB keypad lock doesn't respond to button presses, the first thing to check is the batteries. Low batteries are the most common cause of malfunction in these devices. If programming a new code fails, double-check that you're following the correct sequence. Ensure the master code is entered properly. Default codes are typically 1234 or 0000, depending on the model. For touchscreen models like some RB series, if touch input isn't working properly, clean the screen with a soft, dry cloth. Remove any dirt, fingerprints, or moisture that might interfere with the sensors. If issues continue despite troubleshooting, refer to your user manual for detailed instructions specific to your RB model. You can also contact Reliabilt customer support for help and ensure your lock's firmware is up to date for the latest security features. Security best practices are essential to protect your RB keypad lock from unauthorized access. First, never use default codes. Always change them immediately after installation to prevent easy access. Second, regularly update the lock's firmware if it's a smart model. This addresses potential vulnerabilities and keeps your security current. Third, monitor access logs for unusual activity. Many models provide this feature to help you spot potential security issues. Fourth, consider enabling two-factor authentication for app-controlled models. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just a code. Finally, be cautious about sharing codes. Only give them to trusted people and revoke access when it's no longer needed. Future RB locks will feature biometric authentication like fingerprints and AI-powered security systems that adapt to usage patterns and predict maintenance needs. For maintenance, clean the keypad gently with a soft cloth and inspect batteries regularly to ensure reliable operation. Avoid harsh cleaners that could damage the surface, and review your access codes and settings every 3 months. Keep your lock secure by applying manufacturer updates and security patches from Reliabilt to address emerging vulnerabilities.